Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, online bakery shop. And I had developed this project in Java JSP and MySQL, and I'm using the JTK version 1.8 and Tomcat server. I'm using the Tomcat 8. But if you have Tomcat 7 or Tomcat 9, you can easily run this project on both of the server. And if you want to configure this project in Eclipse as well as NetBeans, then you can configure this project also on the Eclipse and the NetBeans. But Eclipse and NetBeans must have the Tomcat server. I have never tested this project in the Glassfish server. So if you have the NetBeans or sorry, if you have the Tomcat server on the NetBeans and the Eclipse, then you can configure and run this project easily. So this is all about the backend technology. For database, I am using the MySQL and the version currently I am using the 5.6. And for frontend, I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And some of the jQuery library I am using like jQuery, jQuery date, and jQuery validations, etc. So this is all about the technologies. So let's start with the functionality. So this is the homepage of the project, and the project title is online bakery shop. This is a major project which has the customer as well as the admin login. Means customer can order as well as admin can see all of the orders and admin can add the products, right? So this is the homepage of the project, and all of these products are coming from the database. So you can see there are 9 products are available. So all of the 9 products are coming from the database. So this is the slider also, so you can see this is a slider, and this slider is also coming uh, from the jQuery library. So this is all items. So you can see there are 9 items available. So if you want to filter out the things, then just click on the links which is available in the choose your correct category sections, and after that those things will be filtered out, right? The same things will be filtered out if you click on the above things, right? So this is the contact us form from where a customer will be able to submit their information, but this is a static form and I am not saving the data of this contact us form anywhere in the database, right? So you can see there is a customer login from where customer will be able to log inside the system. So I am logging the customer like Amit test. So you can see this is the customer dashboard, and customer can see the my orders. So you can see this is the my order sections. So currently there are no items available here. So in order number section there are 4 items available, and if you can see other items in order number 17 there are 2 order items, right? This is the my account section from where customer will be able to update his account details, and this is a contact us and a logout. So now I am going to order some of the things. So this is I'm going to add. So currently there are 2 items inside the cart, and now I am going for the buns. So currently there are 3 items, and total amount I need to pay is 740 rupees. So once you click on the proceed to checkout, it will ask for the shipping information. I am entering the junk data, and once you click on the uh, proceed to payment, then this payment gateway will open, and this is a local payment gateway, and none of the card information I am saving into database. Also there is no need to enter the valid card details. This is the sample things, and just I am entering the data here. The card type, expiry month, and the CV number, this. And once you click on the make payment, then you will get the order. So earlier if I show you that the order was number was 17, now the order number is 18 here, right? And I have ordered 3 of the items, and you can see in the my order section there is a order number 18 here, right? So this is the full flow. Customer will add the item into the cart, and after that he will proceed to check out and make the payment, and he will be able to see all of the orders in my order stream. This is my account and the logout. So this is above menu is totally decision domain, and if you click on the logout, then above menu will be changed according to the role and permission. So currently there is no user login, so there is no logout button, there is no my account section, right? Now I am going to log in as an admin. So admin username is admin and password is test. So you can see this is the bakery items management. So you can see you can add the bakery from here, and this is the all of the bakery items. So I have already told you there are 9 items available in the database, so you can see all of the 9 items and you can edit the things from here, right? So this is the customer report from where you will be able to see all of the customer reports, and the you can see the orders of the customer. So this is the order of the customer, and you can also view the items here right? So this is the order report, so you will be able to see all of the orders, and this is the current order made by the customer on the May of 26th of May. And if you click on the view item, then you will be able to see the item details, right? So admin can change his password and also log out from the system. So this is the full project which I have developed in Java JSP and MySQL. So this is a major project because there are two types of logins inside the system. The first one is a customer and second one is a admin. And if you need more functionality, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes and I will make this better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest video updates on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.